Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mohammad Yasir. I'm a software engineer currently working in SoftBD Limited as Director Marketing. So today we are going to see how to add Gsuite MX record in your Cloudflare. It's very simple, just log into your Cloudflare account. Once we log in, now we go to the property that you want to add the Gsuite MX record. Over here you will see there's DNS setting. In the DNS setting, we'll add a new record. Over here in the name we'll add @ and we'll copy the MX record from here. I will give the link in my tutorial, so don't worry about the link. So there are 5 MX record in Gsuite, so we need to add all of them. I just added the first one, and the rest of them I'll add similarly. So we are almost done. So once you have completed adding all 5 of them, you have to wait at least for a couple of hours for the MX record to get updated, and everything should be working in like a couple of hours. If not, you can please comment or inbox me. So yeah, we are done. So you can see all 5 of them have been added, and all we need to do is just wait for a couple of hours. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the love. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.